Okay, this is a very, very simple lab. It even has instructions that you should, read, but in case you can't read, because I know some of you can't, you're going to do this little setup, and you should have all this stuff here already. You have a beaker of ice. If you don't have ice, I can give you ice. You should have one of these. That's some metal. I don't know what metal it is, but it's metal. You should have one of these, which has water in it. And you should have a burner, which I will light for you, and a pair of handy dandy tongs so that you can touch hot things without burning yourself. Now, first thing you're going to do is put this on this, and you're going to let it heat until it boils. So you have to wait a little while. While you're doing that, you can contemplate life, something like that, and wait. I am heating it. I am heating it. I'm adding heat energy to it. Okay, now pretend it's boiling. Oh my God, it's boiling. Okay, now that's boiling. While it's boiling, we're going to let that get nice and cold. So in theory, that'll be 100 degrees. That will be 0 degrees. In theory, we're going to pretend. We're not going to actually measure it. We're going to pretend. Then, once it's boiling, I'm going to very, very carefully put that on the lab table. Turn that off. And then you're going to put the nice, cold little piece of metal in the boiling hot water. And then you're going to wait for 5 minutes. See, you have to time the 5 minutes like that. While the 5 minutes is elapsing, on the screen there'll be questions for you to answer, so you can answer those while you're waiting. After 5 minutes has elapsed, you're going to take the temperature of the water. Now, this is a thermometer. It's breakable. Don't drop it. Also, that's the case. You can take it out of the case. That's okay. Put the red end in the water, not touching the metal, water only, and you watch the little red line go up and up and up and up and up and up and up, and when it stops, you record the temperature. Then you take this out, shake all the little water off of it, put it back in carefully, and then answer the rest of the questions, and voila, you are done.